At Yellow Tokens, there are three types of user profiles: Master, Manager, and Standard. The Master profile has full access to the platform. They can create, configure, and view custom projects, subscribe to ready-made projects from the store, manage users, view the account's asset balance and feedback data, and access the billing history. This profile is automatically assigned to the person who creates the Yellow Tokens account, whether personal or business. This is also the person responsible for subscribing to ready-made projects and handling payments. The Manager profile has almost the same access as the Master. They can create and configure projects, manage other users, and view everything on the platform, but with two exceptions. Managers cannot change the profile of a Master user, and they do not have access to billing history or payment information. This profile is ideal for those who manage custom projects and users within the account. The Standard profile has more limited access. They can only view and edit projects they've been granted access to by a Master or Manager user. It's designed for professionals who use the data and insights in their daily work, in areas like marketing, customer service, customer experience, business intelligence, product management, and executive leadership. In the next video, we'll see how to add a new user to your account.